Hello, LegalShield family. It's Dawn Brinkley here from the great state of California. Let's talk Performance Club. It's LegalShield's longest running incentive program, and it is a program in which you are rewarded for consistency, and it truly is the stepping stone of success. To qualify, you need to earn 150 points per month consistently. How is this done? You'll get 50 points by recruiting a new associate with a membership. You'll get 50 points by helping that new associate fast start qualify. You'll get 50 points if you open a qualifying employee group. And every dollar of premium sold is a point. On month 3 of consistently staying in Performance Club, you will begin to receive a $200 bonus, and it will be every month until month 11. Then you earn even more money. It goes to 300, 400, 500. Also, if you are a senior director or above, you are eligible for a matching bonus for every bonus recipient in your organization that's within their 3 to 11 month period. That is truly exciting. So now let's celebrate those who are getting their PC bonus for the very first time, and those who are senior director and or executive director and above who are receiving a matching bonus.